Well, as many politicians learn the hard way, real life has a way of crashing unexpectedly into the most carefully laid plans. The Premier Kristina Keneally was at Sydney's Westmead Hospital today to show off a brand new ward to the Federal Health Minister. But the PR exercise backfired when the family of a patient took the opportunity to air their grievances about a broken toilet.
It was a campaign trail celebration of new beds featuring a Premier and both the state and federal health ministers.
And you've got a room to yourself today?
At the moment, yeah. Probably not for much longer, I assume.
But just a few floors up, one patient didn't even have a working toilet. Elizabeth Weigold approached the media distressed about the conditions her 69-year-old father endured.
Disgusting. I mean, to see someone you love and who is struggling to breathe and not well, and to have to walk and look for a toilet is just...
it's bad.
It's just bad.
There were 7 people to a shower, faulty air conditioning, even pillows were scarce.
There were no pillows. Like, you have to find, they found him a pillow, but
even before he went to surgery, one of the nurses made a comment, "Oh, don't send his pillow," because she said we won't get it back.
ABC cameras were not allowed onto the floor, but other parts of the hospital show mouldy ceiling tiles and worn carpet. In the new ward, the Premier was invited to use the soap dispenser. Back in the public toilets, there is no soap.
There's always ongoing maintenance issues in a hospital, and we routinely deal with those maintenance issues. I'm sure this is an issue that we can resolve.
Elizabeth Weigold says the medical staff are doing a great job in difficult circumstances. The Health Minister says nurse numbers have increased by 10% over the past 5 years. The union says it's not nearly enough. The Nurses Association says it wants mandated nurse-to-patient staff ratios.
We know that those nurses are still struggling day to day with their workloads, and so we know those numbers are not right, and this is about addressing some of those issues.
The main issue for Elizabeth Weigold is her father returning home safe and well. Matt Wordsworth, ABC News.